it's Melissa Miller here at Millers Rustic Sawmill. Okay, so my board is larger than this, so I'll have to just kind of repeat the pattern, which is not a big deal. Let's whitewash my board. I think this is going to turn out better if I whitewash this. So we're going to whitewash this. How fun will that be? So here's how I'm going to do that rather quickly. I'm going to get out a wet wipe. I have my blow dryer always on standby. I'm going to put some white paint onto this wet wipe, and I'm going to just start doing this on my board. And so this will cover this, kind of how I did the front with the cow or the horse, whichever one's on here. But I'm just going to wipe it right into this wood in no particular order. But this is going to allow me to do my footballs in brown and have them stand out a little bit better. And that is going to get my coverage. It's going to have it still kind of not completely covered, which I think is okay. I might do just a little bit more on here to give it a little bit more coverage. We're going to dry it. It shouldn't take too long to dry in here. And so if you still want this to be a little bit more of a solid color, you can go back over it and over it and over it until you get that desired look, right? But look, so you can see there's what we're looking at, right? That's going to be better than what I was going to do on the wood. So this is going to now pop off of here. So we'll tape this right back down. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my mini brushes. So I'm going to put out my green and my red and my brown, but I'll start with my green. We will try this bright one. Maybe it will be just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and do my red, and I'm going to do my helmet's red. And I'm just kind of maneuvering that paint right into that helmet. Okay. Now we're going to do the brown. We're going to put some football color on here. But I'm going to actually fold this up, and I'm going to put a little bit of brown right here. So I've got all of my colors onto this one coffee filter. I'll put a little bit. I do not need that much. This is super dark brown. This is actually like a Crayola, like an art paint series, and it is dark brown. I love this dark brown. This is gonna look so good. Okay. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, are we ready? It's cute. Definitely cute. My red helmets for the Kansas City Chiefs. They would be really cute to put some little arrowheads on them. What do you guys think? And so I do have room at the top, and I think I could spell out the word Chiefs. I also had, let me see, there's more football stencils. Football season, I could pull off of my other, like this. Football season. That might look really good on there up at the top. I think I'm going to do it in the brown. Okay. I really actually did just scrape off all of that paint right back into it. That's cute. That's just what it needed. Look. Isn't that cute? Okay, let me set this up. Okay. I did clean it off. Isn't that funny? Look at that. How cute is that? That is a very cute board. It would make a cute serving board. Anything like that. That is a fun stencil. So if you don't have any football stuff, make sure you grab that. These are back in stock also. This is the other side. I'm glad that I painted that board white, you guys. Yes, it would make a very cute one. Very cute snack board. Set this down, set some stuff on it and bowls or whatever. It's super cute. You guys, thank you so much for being here. And I hope you'll come back next week. Follow me at Millers Rustic Sawmill. If you don't, I'd love to have you follow me over there. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I'll see you soon. Bye.